Hi everyone, welcome to Food Friday. Today's snack is called Bora or Gora. There's so many terms to this snack, but here's how you make it. So slice the 4 large onions in order to blend, and even the ginger needs to be blended as well. The quantity that you need is at the beginning of the video, so forgive me if I don't mention the quantities in there. So as you can see, she's blended the ginger, and now she's in a large pan. She's put the onions and ginger in for it to simmer. You add half a jug of water, and now she's gonna add turmeric powder. This is just for the coloring of the snack, so it looks nice. So it's entirely up to you, how much you want to put in. And obviously the salt, she's put 2 large wooden spoons of it in. Stir it. So like I said, the turmeric powder is just for the coloring and the smell. Gives a nice flavour. So so she's adding a little bit more turmeric powder. So on a medium heat, you just let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, when you can see it bubbling, you add the rice flour in. So she's adding the whole packet in, which is 1.5 kilograms. You just stir that in. Here you can see she's mixing every ingredient in together to make it into a dough. So you've got to further cook the dough by covering it with the lid for another half an hour on a low heat. And after half an hour, it should look like this. Here I've poured the contents into a big yellow bowl, and then the key to this snack is kneading the dough. So you've got to knead the dough properly. So as you can see, I'm using the palm of my hands, not my fingers, the palm of my hands to knead the dough. If you don't knead the dough properly, the snack won't, the Bora doesn't come out right, and it cracks. The whole snack cracks everywhere. So you've got to make sure that this part you take care of more than anything else. So this took me about 20 minutes to do, and as you can see here, I'm rolling out the dough. If you're wondering what those green bits are, that's coriander. So you can add coriander or spring onions or any kind of garnishing that you like. And after rolling it out, use a template to cut out circles from the dough, and that's what the end product looks like. And obviously you fry it. You can fry it and put it in the fridge, or you can just leave it like that. But there you go. That's how you make Bora or Gora. Thank you for watching, everyone.